Subhanallah walhamdulillah wala.
If you think about what happened, there's not enough time, guys. If you just think about what happened in that time when the Quran came down, if you just study what was happening in the heavens, the arrangements made for the Quran to come down. And there's a reason shayateen are chained, by the way, in this month. There's a reason for that. What were the arrangements made for the Quran to come down? You know, in Surah Al-Jinn, the jinn were confused. They had no idea what's going on. They're like, we used to hang out up in the stars. It says access denied, security. We try to go to our old hangout parking lots in the galaxies somewhere, and we get meteors shot towards us. And we're like, what is happening? There's a complete lockdown of the skies. So all the jinn were stuck on the earth because they couldn't go hang out in the skies. Why are all the skies locked down and the only access is left on the earth? What is about to happen to the earth? Is there some giant thing pointing towards the earth? And we have no idea. So they said, وَنَحْنُ وَأَنَّا لَا نَدْرِي أَشَرٌّ أُرِيدَ بِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ أَمْ أَرَادَ بِهِمْ رَبُّهُمْ رَشَدًا. We had no idea if some horrible thing is about to go down. They were actually not sure what's happening. And then they heard the Quran and they said, oh, that's why the skies are locked down. That's why the skies are, like, they realized this Quran locked down the 7 skies so it could descend. That's the month we're experiencing. And you're thinking that this is, if there was one time to give the word of Allah to humanity, man, this is it. This is it. How we pass by this month not realizing what it is remarkable.